The Pilatus PC-24 super versatile jet, master of all trades or niche performer. In the stratified world of private aviation, aircraft are typically designed with a specific mission in mind: the transcontinental luxury of a Gulfstream, the short-hop agility of a very light jet, or the utilitarian ruggedness of a turboprop. The Pilatus PC-24, however, defiantly resists such easy categorization. Billed as the super versatile jet, it promises to blend the comfort and speed of a light jet with the rough field capability of a bushplane. But does this Swiss-engineered machine genuinely redefine the concept of a mission-ready private aircraft, or is it an expensive compromise? We dissect its performance, luxury, operational genius, and value proposition to uncover what this unique jet is truly made of. The cabin, a Swiss Army knife of space and flexibility. Step inside the PC-24's cabin, and the immediate impression is one of intelligent spaciousness. Measuring 17.3 feet in length, 5.1 feet in width, and 4.8 feet in height, its dimensions are competitive with larger light jets and even some mid-size entrants. However, these numbers only tell half the story. Pilatus's ingenious design maximizes every cubic inch. The cabin feels airy and open, an effect amplified by one of the aircraft's most striking features: its windows. These are not the typical portholes of business aviation, but expansive panoramic panels 21 by 14 inches, flooding the interior with natural light and offering passengers breathtaking, virtually uninterrupted views of the world below, from the glacial peaks of the Alps to the sprawling dunes of the Sahara. The standard configuration comfortably seats 8 passengers in a club arrangement. But here is where the PC-24's super versatile ethos comes to life. This is not a cabin with fixed bolted-down furniture. It is a reconfigurable space. The floor is structurally reinforced with multiple tie-down points, ready to secure anything from industrial parts to humanitarian supplies. This flexibility extends beyond cargo. The cabin can be configured as a secure corporate shuttle, a mobile office with a fold-out work table, a quiet sky chamber with seats converted into a flat sleeping area, or even a fully equipped air ambulance with integrated medical systems and stretcher mounts. An advanced environmental control system maintains a serene cabin altitude of 6,000 feet, even at a 45,000-foot cruise, significantly reducing passenger fatigue. Combined with extensive customization options for leathers, woods, and Alcantara, the PC-24's cabin offers a rare blend of bespoke luxury and pragmatic gun-anywhere utility. The flight deck cutting-edge simplicity for the ultimate mission. The PC-24's cockpit is a pilot-centric marvel of clarity and capability. Centered on the advanced Honeywell Primus Apex integrated avionics suite, it features 4 large, customizable LCD displays that present flight navigation systems and terrain data with stunning clarity. The system's intuitive logic minimizes pilot workload, a critical factor that enables one of the PC-24's most significant operational and economic advantages: single pilot certification. Unlike nearly all other jets in its performance class, which mandate a 2-crew flight deck, the PC-24 can be legally and safely flown by a single qualified pilot, dramatically reducing long-term operational costs and increasing scheduling flexibility for owners. This advanced avionics package includes a standard enhanced flight vision system, EFVS. Using an infrared camera, it projects a real-time clear image of the runway and terrain onto the head-up display, even in fog, rain, or darkness. This technology is not merely a luxury. For a jet designed to land on remote unlit strips, it is a critical safety tool that turns what would be an impossible landing for most aircraft into a routine procedure. Furthermore, visibility is exceptional. The large, unobstructed windscreen provides a panoramic view, crucial for evaluating rough or unfamiliar landing surfaces. Every element of the flight deck is engineered to empower the pilot to confidently execute the aircraft's core mission, accessing places other jets simply cannot go. Engine and performance. The turboprop heart of a jet spirit at first glance, the PC-24's powerplant choice seems anachronistic. To Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A66B turboprop engines. In a market obsessed with pure jets, this is a deliberate and brilliant engineering decision. The PT6 is arguably the most reliable and proven turbine engine in aviation history. By opting for turboprops, Pilatus harnesses their inherent advantages for the PC-24's specific profile, exceptional short-field performance and superior fuel efficiency at typical mission profiles and altitudes. Do not mistake this for a slow aircraft. With a maximum cruise speed of 440 knots, 506 miles per hour, the PC-24 holds its own against many pure light jets. It can efficiently cruise at altitudes up to 45,000 feet, soaring above weather systems and congested airspace. Its range of up to 2,000 nautical miles, with 4 passengers and reserves, connects city pairs like New York to Denver, London to Istanbul, or Singapore to Mumbai non-stop. Yet, the performance magic is most evident at the beginning and end of the flight. The PC-24's takeoff and landing distances are staggeringly short. It can become airborne in just 2,690 feet and land in approximately 2,600 feet at sea level. More importantly, it can perform these feats on grass, gravel, dirt, or snow. This capability stems from a robust high-travel landing gear with large, high-flotation tires and durable oleo-pneumatic shock struts designed to absorb the punishment of unprepared surfaces. The powerful turboprops provide immediate power response and the ability to use reverse thrust beta mode for aggressive deceleration on short or slippery runways. Despite the propellers outside, the cabin experience remains quiet and serene, rivaling many jets, thanks to extensive acoustic insulation in the fuselage. The PC-24 delivers jet-like comfort with propeller-driven capability, a best-of-both-worlds proposition. Price and value proposition. Redefining cost per capability. The Pilatus PC-24 carries a base price of approximately $11 million. A direct price comparison with other aircraft categories reveals its unique positioning. vs light jets, e.g. Citation CJ4. $9M, the PC-24 costs slightly more but offers a significantly larger cabin, far greater payload, and its defining unpaved strip capability, versus mid-size jets e.g. Embraer Praeto 500, $18 million. The PC-24 provides comparable cabin space and comfort at a substantially lower acquisition cost, trading some high-speed high-altitude range for its short-field prowess, versus large turboprops, for example Daher Kodiak. While a Kodiak can land on shorter, rougher strips, the PC-24 offers over 200 knots greater cruise speed and a pressurized stand-up cabin, representing a quantum leap in comfort and productivity. The value argument solidifies when examining operating costs. The PT-6 engines are famously economical to operate and maintain. Direct operating costs are estimated at a competitive $2,500 to $3,000 per hour, which is often 20 to 30% lower than comparable light jets with similar cabin space. For those not looking to purchase, charter rates typically range from $4,500 to $6,500 per hour, providing access to its unique capabilities without the capital commitment. The verdict: who is the super versatile jet for the Pilatus PC-24 is not for everyone. It is not the fastest, nor the longest range aircraft in its price bracket. For an operator whose mission is exclusively hopping between major metropolitan airports like Teterboro and Palm Springs, a traditional jet may suffice. However, to dismiss the PC-24 on that basis is to miss its revolutionary point. This aircraft is a force multiplier. It is designed for the individual, corporation, or government agency whose definition of airport includes a gravel bar in Alaska, a grass strip at a remote African mine site, a snow-covered lodge runway in the Alps, or a damaged asphalt runway following a natural disaster. It is for the owner who values the autonomy to go directly to the point of need, without the delays, costs, and vulnerability of arranging ground transport from a distant major airport. It seamlessly transitions from moving executive teams in tailored suits to delivering critical machinery, from conducting medevac missions to serving as a mobile command post. In doing so, the PC-24 transcends hype. It is a meticulously engineered, purpose-built tool that genuinely redefines private aviation by obliterating the traditional compromise between performance, luxury, and utility. It not just a jet that can land on a rough strip, it is a jet that belongs there. For the right owner, its versatility is not a marketing slogan, it is the ultimate luxury.